Hi everyone, this is Tahir Rehman, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review a brand new Warrior Plus product called Infinite Money Loop. In this review, I'll show you exactly what this product is, how it works, its main features, the benefits, and whether it's something worth checking out. I'll also show you a full overview of the system, and I'll share some exclusive bonuses that I've put together for you. So, if you decide to pick up Infinite Money Loop through my link, you'll get these bonuses completely free, and you won't find them anywhere else. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'll explain everything step by step in simple English. So, with that said, let's get started. What is Infinite Money Loop? So, first of all, what exactly is Infinite Money Loop? According to the creators, Infinite Money Loop is a crypto-based opportunity system that claims to allow users to generate crypto deposits using a repeatable process. Unlike many traditional online income methods, this system is marketed as something that does not require selling, paid ads, social media marketing, email lists, or complicated funnels. The creators claim that once the system is set up, it can create a type of loop that continues generating crypto deposits, which is where the name Infinite Money Loop comes from. Now, of course, whenever you hear big claims like this, it's always important to understand exactly how the system works. So let's break that down. How Infinite Money Loop works. The concept behind Infinite Money Loop is actually presented as a simple step-by-step process. Step 1. Access the technology. The first step is accessing the free technology that the creators say powers this system. According to the training, this technology already exists within the crypto ecosystem and doesn't require expensive software or complicated tools. Step 2. Set up the loop. The next step is to set up the Infinite Money Loop. The training inside the product supposedly shows users exactly how to configure the system so that the loop starts working. This setup process is claimed to be simple and beginner-friendly. 3. Trigger the system once the setup is complete. The next step is triggering the loop so it starts producing crypto deposits. The creators claim this is where the system begins generating results. Step 4. Repeat the loop. Another interesting part of the concept is that the loop is repeatable. That means once you understand the process, you can run it again and again. Step 5. Scale the system. Finally, the creators say users can scale the loop. So, instead of running the system once, you can potentially run multiple loops and grow the results over time. Now, again, these are the claims made on the sales page. And as always, with any online income system, results may vary. This video, we will see together a full demo in a few minutes. But before doing so, I want to let you know that in the description below, you find the link to my bonus page that you see now on the screen and here in my exclusive bonuses. You will find all the information that you need about the software, the funnel with the pricing that we will see together later on, and then all the unique bonuses that I prepared for you. And these bonuses really are created by me to help you get the most out of Beetle, and you won't find them anywhere else. So, I invite you to take action and grab them. Now, these bonuses also will expire soon. So, I really invite you to take action because you won't find them anywhere else and they are really congruent with Infinite Money Loop. For example, the first one. Now, let's talk about the very first exclusive bonus you'll be getting from me. And the first bonus you'll get is my Crypto Basics video training. This bonus is perfect for beginners who want to understand the world of cryptocurrency in a simple and easy way. Inside this training, you'll learn the fundamentals of crypto, including what cryptocurrency is, how blockchain technology works, how crypto wallets are used, and how the overall crypto system functions. So, if you're new to crypto, this bonus will give you a strong foundation and help you understand the basics before getting started. It's a very helpful training, especially for anyone who wants to build more confidence in the crypto space. The second bonus you'll receive is the Passive Income Blueprint Guide. This guide is designed to help you understand how to create multiple passive income streams online. Instead of relying on just one source of income, you'll learn different ways to generate income that can work for you over time. Inside this guide, you'll discover beginner-friendly strategies for building online income, automating simple systems, and creating digital income. streams that can continue running even when you're not actively working. This bonus is especially useful for anyone who wants to learn how to build long-term online income and understand the concept of passive earnings. So if you're interested in creating smarter income streams online, this guide will definitely help you get started. The third bonus you'll receive is the Cryptocurrency Beginner Guide. This guide is perfect for anyone who is completely new to cryptocurrency and wants to understand how the crypto world actually works. Inside this guide, you'll learn the basics of crypto, how digital coins like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies operate, and how crypto wallets are used to store and manage your assets. It also explains the overall crypto ecosystem in a simple and beginner-friendly way, so you can better understand how everything connects together. So, if you're just getting started with crypto, this guide will help you build a strong foundation and give you the confidence to explore the crypto space more effectively. The fourth bonus you'll receive is the Internet Marketing Fast Start video course. This bonus is a beginner-friendly training designed to help you understand the basics of making money online through internet marketing. Inside this course, you'll learn important concepts such as affiliate marketing basics, different online income models, and how people generate traffic to their offers. You'll also discover simple monetization strategies that show how online traffic can be turned into real income. This training is especially helpful for beginners who want to understand how online businesses work and how digital marketing can be used to create income opportunities. So, if you're interested in learning the fundamentals of internet marketing, this video course will give you a great starting point. And the fifth bonus you'll receive is 1,000 AI video ideas for YouTube and TikTok. This bonus gives you a massive collection of creative video ideas that you can use to grow your content on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Coming up with fresh video ideas can sometimes be one of the biggest challenges for content creators, but with this list, you'll always have inspiration for your next video. These AI-generated ideas cover different niches and topics, helping you create engaging content that can attract more viewers and grow your audience. So, whether you're starting a new channel or looking for more content inspiration, this bonus will give you plenty of ideas to keep your content flowing. So, you're not just getting the software, you're also getting extra tools and guidance from the product creators. To get this bonus, along with all my other exclusive bonuses, click the link in the description, or remember, you get it free when you grab Infinite Money Loop through my link. All of these bonuses come included at no extra cost, and they will be extremely helpful in helping you grow your business. Basically, when you purchase through my link on the bonus page, you will receive all of my exclusive bonuses. Even if you only decide to purchase the front-end product, you will still get access to this entire bonus package. All you need to do is click link in description below and you will be redirected to the official Infinite Money Loop sales page and get instant access to the software along with all of these exclusive bonuses. Now, let's quickly take a look at the official sales page together. Main features of Infinite Money Loop. Now let's take a look at the main features included inside the product. Feature 110. Case study. The first feature included in the training is a $10 case study. This shows how the creators started with a small amount and used the system to demonstrate how the loop works. This makes the product more beginner-friendly because it suggests you don't need a huge investment to start. Feature 2, Scaling Case Study. Second feature shows how the same system can be scaled. According to the creators, the loop can potentially generate bigger results. When it is scaled properly, this is meant to demonstrate how users could grow the system over time. Feature 330, Day Live Case Study. Another interesting feature is the 30-day live case study. In this section, the creators shared daily updates showing how the system performs over time. This is designed to give buyers more transparency and insight into how the process works. Feature for training inside the product. You'll also find step-by-step video training. This training covers accessing the required tools, setting up the loop, triggering the system, repeating the process, scaling the results. This makes it easier for beginners to follow along without feeling overwhelmed. Feature 5. Beginner-friendly setup. The creators also claim that most users can have the system up and running in under an hour. So the goal here is simplicity, instead of complicated setups that take weeks to learn. This system is marketed as something much faster and easier. Benefits of Infinite Money Loop. Let's talk about some of the main benefits. Beginner-friendly. The system is designed for beginners and doesn't require technical skills. No traditional marketing. You don't need ads, funnels, email lists, websites, social media marketing, which is appealing for people who don't want to build a traditional online business. Low entry barrier. The case study suggests users can start small, making it accessible for beginners. Repeatable system. Because the system is based on a loop concept, it can potentially be repeated multiple times. All these bonuses are 100% free, but only if you purchase Infinite Money Loop through my link. So overall, Infinite Money Loop is positioned as a simple crypto opportunity that focuses on creating a repeatable system for generating crypto deposits. It includes training, case studies, and a step-by-step guide designed for beginners. Of course, like any online income opportunity, it's important to remember that results are not guaranteed, and success depends on how well the system is implemented. So always do your own research before making any purchase decision. If you want to check out Infinite Money Loop, see the full demo, and claim my exclusive bonuses, just click the link in the description below. And remember, these bonuses are only available if you purchase through my link. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.